Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar class. In this class, we are going to see about determiners. Now see the types of determiners. First one articles, second one demonstratives, third one possessives, fourth one possessive nouns, then fifth one cardinal numbers, sixth one ordinal numbers, then seventh one quantifiers, eighth one interrogatives and distributives. These are all the determiners topics. Let's see one by one. First, articles. We know that A and D are called the articles. And demonstratives. Demonstratives mean it is used to point out something or someone where exactly. Okay. And the demonstratives are this, that, these, those. Then possessives. Possessives are mine, ours, yours, hers, its, theirs. Okay, these are all used to say the ownership. Then possessive nouns. Possessive nouns means it's nothing but adding apostrophe s to the noun. That is called possessive nouns. See the examples. Mira's pen. Here Mira is the noun and we added apostrophe s to Mira. So Mira's is called possessive noun. Then second one, my uncles. Okay, we added apostrophe s to the uncle. Is a noun, right? Uncles is the possessive noun. Then cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all called the cardinal numbers. Then ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, like this ordinal numbers. Then quantifiers. Quantifier words are many, few, most, more. These are all the quantifiers. Then distributives. See the distributives? Each, every, neither, either. These are all the distributive words. Interrogatives. We know that interrogatives are used to ask questions. And see the interrogatives. Which, whose, what. These are all the interrogatives. Then here is a note to remember in your mind while doing with determiners. See the first one. The definite and indefinite articles are refers to as central determiners. Definite and indefinite articles are refers to as central determiners. Okay. Definite article D is called the definite article. A and an are called the indefinite article. Right. See the second point. Determiners that occur before the central determiners, which mean before the A and D. Okay. Are called predeterminers. In this example, all the doors are locked. Here the central determiner is D. Right. And another determiner is all. So all placed before the central determiner. So it is called as predeterminer. Pre mean before. Post mean after. Okay. The second point, determiners that occur after the central determiners. Okay. Which mean after A and D are called post determiners. Here look at the example. The first singer was pretty bad. Here, the and first are the two determiners. Here, the is the central determiner, right? And first, after the central determiner, first placed. So, here, first is the post determiner, okay? Remember, before placed central determiner mean it is called predeterminer. After mean post determiner, okay? And now see the difference between adjectives and determiners. The first one, describe the properties of nouns. We know that adjectives are used to describe the noun. Okay, describing the sense, it describes the properties. And on the other hand, determiners. Limited nouns specify their characteristics such as ownership. It specifies the ownership. Okay, for use ownership, we use the possessive nouns. Then second point, can change their form and have degrees of comparison. Adjectives can change their forms, okay, and it have the degrees of comparison. Determiners do not change their form and do not have degrees of comparison. Determiners cannot change their form and it does not have a degrees of comparison. And the third point, it can occur before or after the noun. Okay, adjectives can occur both before and after the noun. Determiners occur before the noun. Determiners only occur before the noun. And adjectives can occur after determiners related to the same head noun. On the other hand, determiners cannot occur after adjectives in regard to the same noun, which means for a noun we don't have a two determiners. Okay. Identify the adjectives and determiners in the following. See the first one. There are many important papers in this folder. Here, many and important. Many is determiners, important is adjective. Here I mentioned D as determiners and A for adjectives. And second one, let's watch out for every secretive move theirs. Okay, here every is determiners and secretive is adjective. In third one, several adventurous men joined the trek. Here several determiners, adventurous adjective. Their brave attempt is praiseworthy indeed. Here there is the possessive, right? So determiner and brave adjective. The fifth one, my father's is the possessive noun. So determiners. Colleague has a new house by the sea. Yeah is the article. So this is also determiner. New is adjective. My father's determiners are determiner and new is adjective. Then see the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. Here there is not dash rice left. Any, many, much. There is not much rice left. Second one. There were dash people in the hall. There were all people in the hall? No. Few? Yes. There were few people in the hall. There is an off-season sale in dash shop in this shopping mall. There is an off-season sale in every shop in this shopping mall. Every mean all shop. All he wants dash attention from you. All he wants a little attention from you. You can consider this as dash gift. You can consider this as my gift. Next one, we will have to hurry up because we don't have dash time. Much time. Okay students, in this class we discussed about the determiners and the types of determiners and examples for determiners, right? The next class will discuss about the next topic. Thank you.